In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the GridView extension to Google Meet. The first thing you'll want to do is to open a new tab in your Chrome browser and click on the colored apps icon in the top left of your browser window. Next, you'll look to the bottom right of the window and find the web store. Click on it. Then you want to type in GridView in the search bar. Once you've done that, click on GridView as it populates below the words that you just typed. You may see several Google Meet GridView choices. The one that you want is this one here that has the word fix at the end, and it's offered by Simone Marullo. Click Add to Chrome, and then click Add Extension, and then you want to go into your Google Meet. If you already were in your Google Meet, you're actually rejoining it, and you may not see the grid view. So you'll have to refresh your screen, rejoin the Google Meet, and the grid view will appear. Click on the grid view, and I usually check these three boxes so that I have, highlight the speakers and I include myself in the grid, and then enable it by default. So every time I open a Google Meet, my grid view will be the default view. I hope this helped you learn how to install GridView into Google Meet.